Hello, students, and welcome back to EDUC 1300 3T09 for spring. I hope you've enjoyed some of your time off, and we can talk about that through discussions and on our WebEx video conferencing on April the 14th at 11 a.m. But let me show you around our online course. So here we are in our course, what you pull up. And notice here under announcements, I have made several announcements across our weeks off. I would like you to go back and read through them and see what you may have missed. Noting especially that right here under group discussion, I want you to click on this link and describe your best case scenario for after the pandemic is over. You'll start a new thread, enter your title, and tell all of us what you'll be doing and what you're looking forward to for when life goes back to a little bit closer to normal. Then you'll post your comments and go back and look at, like, here's Jessica's post, and you'll reply to her and to your other classmates on what they wanted to say in the discussion. And that's how we do a discussion. Something we'll be doing a lot in our online course. So go to content. Oh, one thing, back on the opening page, there's a calendar. Notice here, I've scheduled that we start back up on April the 13th, that we have a WebEx meeting on April the 14th at 11, and one again on Thursday the 16th. So Tuesday and Thursday, 11 a.m., just like our class, we'll have a face-to-face meeting online. I shouldn't say face-to-face. It's an online meeting. Note the Path to Success paper and analysis paper is due on Thursday the 16th, and we'll get to that. So let's go to content. There's a table of contents, but notice I have a module that says start here first, because that's what we're going to do. So in here, this refers to the video that I'm doing right now, so you'll see that in there. And you've got a checklist, so click on that. With 3 tasks, and I may add more. So make sure that you are on our Remind app. Go through and enter your personal information for the WebEx meeting. Here's the link to do that. Please do it on Monday, not on Tuesday, so that you're registered and ready to go. And then I want you to create a student account. It's free on Nearpod. Nearpod is how I will be delivering my lessons. Please go ahead and enter your first name and register. Don't use nicknames or usernames. And after you do that, you won't have to enter all that information every time you want to access or re-access my lessons. Going back to content. Here is our complete and official course syllabus. And I will be posting a revised calendar here. Student resources, very important module for you. Here's my email address and phone that you can call or text me. our counselor's email address, Kristen Carpenter from Community and Schools. You can email her here. Here's a link to tutoring and one to financial aid. For the Lone Star Service Center, for technical help, click this link. For D2L help, go to D2L and select support at the top of the page. Our class advisor, George Torres, here's his email address. Here's a short syllabus snapshot, a shorter version of our syllabus that has all of our pertinent information, the learning outcomes, all of our assignments, and so on. WebEx meetings will be listed here. And I'll show you, whoops, we have our WebEx meeting on the 14th. Please don't log into this one. If you notice, this one is 1 minute long. Log into the one that is 1 hour long. And here's the WebEx meeting for Thursday. Back to content. I added the Need a Grit Boost. You need a grit boost? Come here for some motivation and inspiration, good ideas, videos, and once you visit your Grit Boost module, you should leave feeling happy. Under the advising component, I will post everything that comes from your advisor. Remember the Path to Success paper? Well, that's due on April the 16th. Here's a checklist for you to complete so that you will hand in your Path to Success paper completely, correctly, and on time. For the first task, review the rubric, which is posted here, and read through your essay. Follow these directions. Task number 2 asks you to download a scanner app. I suggest Adobe Scan. It's free and has 5 stars. Your third task is to scan your worksheet as follows. Your fourth task is to save your essay as follows. Task number 5 says go to the Dropbox and upload your 2 files. So let's look at the Dropbox. The Dropbox is this symbol right here, and you will click on that symbol and it will ask you to drag or drop your files to the box. And you should get an email in D2L that confirms your submission. Go back to content. So our lessons will be listed as module 1, 2, 3, and so on. And right now they are not the way I want them, but we are going to start with how we learn. And here's a little bit of a peek at what a module might look like when you open it up. So first you'll have a checklist, which is not here yet. And then you'll start into you'll sign into Nearpod with the code and complete the whole lesson. And that is it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you on the WebEx call on Tuesday, the 14th of April. Let me know if you have any questions after your tour of our new online course. I'm here for you. I hope you're all doing well, and I'm anxious and eager for us to get back together and finish strong. Have a great day.